Hello guys and welcome back to another vlog. I've ordered a new product for my Dominar 400 and it's the 2022 Dominar's top rack. Let's install it. So this is the package. So let's unbox it. I have my old trusty unboxing knife, just a standard kitchen knife. So let's cut this pack open. From here and from here. So let's get this bad boy open. Time for the reveal. We have an invoice which I will put a screenshot right now. Which is this bad boy. I believe you can understand what this is. Yes, it is the top rack or rear grab handle from the 2023 or 22 touring edition, and it's a direct fit on any of your older Dominars. So that's it for the unboxing. We are going to install this in this video. So guys, welcome to the installation. For the installation, first of all, you need a Dominar key and you need to open your rear seat. So you need to insert your key into the keyhole and pop the rear seat off. Store it safely, your pillion will need it. So once that is done, you will need an Allen set. Something like this. This is of Taparia. No marketing, nothing. You can buy anything. Taparia is just good quality. So it's a set like this. I have some extra knickknacks in there. So for this you need to use the correct Allen size, which is number 6. So what you need to do first is remove all the stock bolts. Opening is counterclockwise direction. So that's all 4 bolts loosened. You can see that these are loose. So after that, you just take them out. So as you can see, these bolt right into your frame, into your rear subframe, and preserve the screws, they will be needed. And now you need to get your fresh product. It's a really well built product. Part number is mentioned right here also, and it's good. The package doesn't come with the included backrest, and included backrest is decently small. You may take it, you may not take it. I have not taken it. So what you need to do is place it in the appropriate place and fit the screws back. It's as simple as that. I know I've broken promises. I'm way too good to keep. So once you have tightened all 4 screws properly and tightly, make sure that they are tight, or else it can cause wobbling and thus damage to your screws and frame. So just verify once that all of them are indeed tight. Once they are tightened down, store your tools back properly, and then after that just install the rear seat and you're done. It's that simple. It's installed. So I'll give you some shots, some 360 views. Do comment on the video. If you like it, you can hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Ride safe. Stay healthy.
'Cause I'm thinking back to 17 when I was young and so naive, falling into love like such a fool. Yeah, I was dumb, but she was me. It broke my trust, and honestly, I never wanna feel that hurt